doon. Ibang level na rin talaga yung volleyball dito sa Pilipinas.
Well, actually, kung talaga the sports programs that they have for the athletes that they are actually showing, not lang, hindi lang.
Bantay, sarado niya talaga yung atake neto ni Bandola.
If the Green Spikers keep up their performance like the 3-set win yesterday, they won't just challenge the favorites, they will rewrite the entire story of the
University.
That's the most important thing. Punan at dagdagan pa sa kasakali. And on cue, Lasal.
Eugene Gloria. Na-late si
Over reception. As a combination, nicely done.
Yeah. Ngayon, etong look nakatangay naman.
You just have to up your ante. Firing up a good serve. Isa Osene gets blocked. That was really pretty. Anjet with a back set. Bawi naman kagad para rito sa... Actually, you might have an edge pa nga. Kasi alam mo kilala mo, kabisado mo yung sistema and everything. All still up. Keeping it in play. Lasal, NU. Long rally here.
Kanina nung bago si Mukaba, nahirapan din bantayan yung nung bago si Mukaba dito
Na Manila. Banjit with a nice back set.
Move para kay Kapitan Rodriguez.
Rodriguez serving a 2-point lead for Lasal. Over reception right there. Here comes that attack. It's another point. Eliano, what's the difference right now in this performance ng NU as compared to last year?
Yung depensa netong National University, ang laki ng in-improve. And yung mga transition point city na dedepensahan nila, and after that, nako-convert nila sa puntos yun.
And not only that, coming at Lasal, Obed Mukaba with a power serve at Isa Osene. Dagdagan pa niya yung kanyang pagpapakilala the first time he showed up last Sunday. Basically, back-to-back games here for Lasal. Talking about Isa Osene. There he is again. And that stretches their lead to 5 right now. NU has got to adjust. Kanino sila pupunta? They try to vary again. 4.
Win mo, and kailangan nyo yung spacing.
Another 2 here for Lasal. Green Spikers. Oh, back-to-back aces. It's a pretty good serve. To drop. Good recovery. Bultos. Oh, yun lang. Score.
Pinakita nito.
Set one-hand set. Combination here for Lasal. Sheta. Oh, again.
Another.
And you will have to do something. He's still involved right there. They're trying a variety of shots. And finally, they were able.
Dapat ready lagi lahat.
Okay, turn nila dyan lagi. Next man up. Dikitan lang nung nagsimula. Back in set 1. Eto na. Okay, somebody good serve. Eugene Gloria delivers again dito, JV.
Kahit sabihin mo nakabantay na etong si...
Still a good lead being protected here by De La Salle. The combination for NU.
Ito yung kumpiyansa na kinakailangan. Kahit sabihin mo nandyan yung isa. Pero...
Good serve.
Inagaw sa kabila. Inagaw.
Good dig by NU to celebrate na itong Lasal. Thought they had it. They're going to give it another try. Yun, pumasok.
Nakatalikod si...
The floor here for Lasal. Good serve. NU need somebody who could lead them here. Oh, wow. Isa Alseni. And why not? Successful earlier. Kalahati nung katawan ng safe and field. Diba?
Pwedeng laruin neto ni Isa.
Good effort. Agapultos right there. Oh, get it. Combination backfired. Good block. Good. It's going to happen when we enter set.
Talaga ng tao. Coach Dante.
Good set right there. So, NU.
Hindi na lang nasusolusyonan.
Nalamangan na sila by 2 or 3 points. That's where the problem starts. Look at this rally here, folks. Rui. Nandun si Isang Saini to keep it in play. And they found a way.
Bawal talo ang mainit.
Kaya nga Hindi lumusot. And you will just have to keep on fighting here. That's in. Nandun pa rin yung school pride, JV, di ba?
Yung pride talaga as champion.
Miguel Mendoza at the line. Set number 3, we are in right now in NU. One sleeping giant who is beginning to wake up and... Good service. Ngayon, coaches dito, yung mga rookies, on how they may be able to perform under pressure. Ventura wants... Seeing this play, Rui gets blocked. 10 serving 11. Combination, Lusot. Bilis bumawi. And now, Toromal with a good serve. Regidor with that set. An ace! Pagka ganito yung takbo, itong set na ito, every error is going to be costly nga, no? Champion in the UAAP.
Hanggang 5 set yan.
Grabe, we have to sacrifice everything. Naman sila. Regidor with a good set. Mabilis naman binawi. Another good serve by Isa Husseini. Comes the combination for NU. Ball up. Wow, what a setup right there. Rui Ventura again. Dito naman tayo sa kabila. Toromal. Oh! Trying to break this deadlock for LaSalle. Good service by Hernandez. Chion. Oh! Lampas.
There's a net.
Serving for the match. Hernandez. NU. Will it? Tapusin muna natin yung set. Regidor again.
Walang bibitaw.
Sal went for it. Mocaba with a dig. A great effort there by LaSalle.
By Sherwin Retiro of De La Salle University.
Vision. The block. And now,
Fifth set.
darating ba tayo doon? Buhay pa. Oh, but it went to... Three. Match point number 10.
Pero lahat naman ng nanonood ngayon,
For sure.
nakatutok.
Here comes the attack. The block.
Idor.
Match. And you. Oh, and that's how it ended.